How to add stickers on Discord server mobile. Allowing adding stickers on Discord helps the users to express themselves through emotions or be more communicative. So I'll teach you how you can do it. For that, you need to open your Discord in a browser in your phone. So let's get started with it. So here you need to go to the server and tap on this drop down option. After that, go ahead and open your server settings. In here you can see the option called stickers. Just tap on it. So here on stickers it gives you 5 slots to use. So to upload a sticker, what you need to do is just tap on it. Or here you can see the upload sticker option. Just tap on it and choose a file from your device and click a related emoji and name your stickers. And you may also give a description to it and tap on upload. After that is complete, you just need to tap it for 5 times at least. If you want it, you have 5 free slots. Here you may just do it 5 times. And for level 1 and other, you need to buy it. You need to buy the subscription. So that's it. That's how you add stickers in Discord. And you may use it on your servers. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.